Every loan officer should have told you this, and almost none did. You served, you earned one of the best financing benefits in existence. You used it once, bought a house, and filed the paperwork next to your DD-214 and that certificate that nobody frames. And somewhere along the line, somebody let you believe that was it. One and done. It wasn't true then, and it's really not true now. Let's talk about who dropped the ball and what it's costing. I served in the U.S. Coast Guard from 1987 to 1991. I know what it's like to come out of service with nobody sitting you down to actually explain your benefits. The VA loan is one of the most powerful tools you have. It's also one of the most underexplained. Today I'm walking through remaining entitlement, bonus entitlement, and what your options look like right now if you are a Gen X veteran thinking about your next move. Here's the part that gets skipped. Your VA benefit runs on entitlement. The VA is guaranteed to the lender on your behalf. You use part of it the first time. If you've sold that home and paid the loan off, your entitlement is fully restored, back to zero used. You can go again, potentially with no down payment, no PMI, the same as day one. Still on that first home with the loan still active? You're not shut out. You've got remaining or bonus entitlement, and depending on the new home's price, you may still buy with nothing down. The math runs with your county loan limit and what's already tied up, which is exactly the conversation most lenders never walk you through. The program you used isn't the program that exists today. The 2020 Blue Water Navy Act wiped out VA loan limits for veterans with full entitlement. No cap, a $900,000 home in Northern Virginia, zero down, if you qualify on income and credit. 15 years ago, that didn't exist. The benefit got better, and the information gap didn't close. It widened. Most Gen X veterans are still operating off what they knew in 2005. Let's make it concrete. Say you're in a townhome in Woodbridge or a condo in Alexandria, and you're eyeing a single-family home in a closer suburb. The VA loan is your cleanest path there, not a fallback, the strongest option on the table. No PMI saves you $200 to $400 a month on a typical DMV purchase. No down payment keeps your cash free for renovations, reserves, or the next move. And VA appraisals are strict, which actually protects you in a market where sales is still overpriced. The benefit was built for exactly this situation. Almost nobody uses it that way. I'll say this plainly, you earned this. If you used it once and assumed the door closed behind you, that assumption cost you money. Not because the benefit ran out, but because somebody in the process, a lender, an agent, an exit briefing, they didn't explain it right. The market changed, the program changed. Your options are wider than they were the last time you looked, and most veterans find that out too late. Your VA benefit isn't a coupon you clip once. It's a tool that's supposed to travel with you. If nobody walked you through what it looks like today, let's fix that. DM me or book an appointment at SperaGroup.us. I'm Troy Patterson with the Spera Group, Coast Guard veteran, military relocation professional. I'll tell you what the benefit can do, since it sounds like somebody should have already. So now you know.